ZANU-PF yopanika, vakomana vamuziva vanozviti ndo vari kuda kuextenda term yemutungamiri wenyika aiwa panguva inoi vopanika vachiona aiwa vakomana vachiti toitoi mastreets vachiresista this move. Sana vena mashoko anabuda nyogwa panapa ndopanoti vasubscribe like on the bell icon. Jimina News Day Zimbabwe muda nyura chiti a viral video of a group of ordinary Zimbabweans toying against the plans to extend the presidential term limits has exposed growing panic within ZANU-PF after the ruling party called for the arrest of the protesters. There is a push in ZANU-PF to extend the President Mnangagwa's term of office from 2028 to 2030, in line with the ruling party's resolutions adopted at annual conference held last October in Bulawayo. Mnangagwa said he is constitutionalist and does not intend to stay beyond his constitutionally mandated term, but the 2030s have been vocal, saying the constitution should be amended so that his term of office is extended. On Wednesday, Information Minister Jennifer Muswere said there was nothing criminal in speaking about the 23rd agenda as Zimbabwe is a democracy, but a post on X by ZANU-PF Bulawayo province exposed panic within the ruling party over the ED 23rd agenda facing resistance from a cross-section of Zimbabweans after a group of individuals were captured on video tweeting against the move. The ruling party is accusing opposition leader and civil society of inciting people to protest against the proposed term extension. In a post on X, ZANU-PF Bulawayo Information Desk accused the opposition of recruiting youths to protest against the proposed amendment. Tomashko anobuda pano pationa kuti vakomana the regime panguva ino vari kutya vachiona kuti aiwa maprotests akutotanga kutostage vanhu vachiresista this 2030 agenda unconstitutional amendment. Panapa tiri kuona kuti vakangoona kuti vanhu vatanga kutoita maprotest sezvavanoziva kuti ari pamutemo, vakomana the regime aiwa vanotanga kutobatira hana mumaoko. Mbotidzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.